What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazz, and I'm here in my first video. Yeah, it only took 20 tries, 21. But today we're gonna do a $10 brow tutorial using all e.l.f. products, all the items combined, $10. Okay. Oh, y'all get into my nails. Get into them. I did them myself. Got a tutorial coming up for that. But anyway, let's talk about brows. All right. So all items combined, $10. Go get this real snatch, real Instagram baddie, real whatever brow for under $10. But before we get into the brow tutorial, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I got a lot of affordable content planned for you guys. So if you want to, catch the videos as soon as I drop them, turn the post notification bell on. But yeah, guys, let's get into the video. First thing we're gonna do today is clean up the brow just a little. Plucking hairs still brings tears to my eyes, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush the brow. Today I'm using the Instant Lift Brow Pencil in Deep Brown by e.l.f. All the products that I'm using today are e.l.f. products. All the information will be in the description box. So this tutorial is going to be under $10, you guys. So yeah, I use this brow pencil every day. It's a great brow pencil and it's $2. So yeah, I'm gonna take the top off of it, and it have a spoolie on the back of the brow pencil. That's why I love this brow pencil. So I'm gonna take the top off of it, and I'm gonna start at the front of my eyebrow. And softly, when I say softly draw a straight line. And I like to brush my brows up, straight up, so I can see where I need to draw the line. So it should look like that, straight line. So what I'm gonna do now is brush the brows down. And do the exact same thing on the top. So at my arch, I don't overdraw, okay? I follow the natural shape of my brow. I'm not into the overdrawn brows. I like a soft brow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lightly add a little to my arch, okay? So I'm just gonna lightly fill in that arch part. All right, so I'm gonna brush my brows back up. So I have two symmetrical lines, 1 and 2, all right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start at the tip, and I'm gonna begin to fill in my brow with hair-like strokes. So I'm stroking up, you guys. And this is how much of the pencil I have. I don't have much of the pencil out, okay? I'm gonna focus most of my product on the tail and work my product towards the, I guess it's the beginning of the brow. I was gonna say nape of the brow, but that's the neck, but the beginning of the brow. So I'm gonna focus my product at the tail, and I'm just going straight up into the brow, just like my hair is growing. The thing is to not get harsh brows. Follow the shape of your natural brow, and if go in the same direction that your brow hair is growing. So that's exactly what I'm doing. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna begin to brush out the front and smooth the product in, okay? So guys, you can stop right there if you would like. That's a very natural brow. It's giving me all type of baddie vibes. It's giving me everything, but I'm going to, because I'm Jazz and I like to be extra, y'all. Excuse my edges, y'all. It's like I got a ton of grease on it, but it's edge control and this camera's zoomed up, so spare me. But yeah, because I'm Jazz and I'm extra, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little concealer. So I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner brush. Y'all, this brush is $2 and it's fire, okay? So let's talk about concealer, you guys. I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. I also use Fun, Warm Honey and Fun for my brows. With that being said, I like a creamier concealer. I also use the MAC, it's the pot concealer. I can't think of the name of it, but the one in the pot. I like creamy concealers for my brows, mainly because it's easier to blend out for me. I always start at the base of my brows, so at the very beginning, and I drag the product. Yeah, it's easier for me. And I'm using the tip of the brush right now, but soon I'm gonna lay it flat and carve. I lie, y'all. I'm double dipping. So what I'm doing now is pulling the product down into my eye. And I'm gonna take a clean brush and kind of just blend it out. And it should look like that. Super, super clean, super easy. Didn't use much concealer at all. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my clear brow gel, this retail price $2, and set my brows. Now here's the thing, I have long brow hairs, so I like to set my brows to keep those hairs standing straight up and just kind of lock them in. Is this necessary? No. But for me, I'm extra, I'm Jazz. I like to coat my brows with some brow gel. So I'm gonna take this clear brow gel. It says clear brow and lash mascara. I only use it for my brows. Like I said, this is retail price is $2. So I'm gonna take it and just coat the brows. And I'm gonna brush back through with it. And yeah, y'all, that's the perfect brow. Okay, I'm gonna add one more thing. So I kind of lost my tail a little bit, so I'm gonna go back in and extend that tail. All right. So yeah, guys, this is my $10 brow tutorial. If you like this video, please drop a comment below. If you want more videos like this, comment below. Also hit that thumbs up for more videos. Yeah, guys, talk to you guys later. Bye.